Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set out of office on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Asana and you're going to be taking a short vacation away from work. How do you actually go ahead and set out of office dates on Asana? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to Asana. Next, on the upper right-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down. And then this is where you're going to see this toggle of where it says Set Out of Office. So you can toggle this on or off. And you can set the date of the first day in which you're going to be out of office and the last day you're going to be out of office. Let's say you're gone for a week, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set out of office dates on Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.